Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the double crochet stitch. So this leaves a nice airy fabric. If you compare it to the half double crochet, it has a more relaxed look. And if you compare it to the triple crochet, it is more firm, so a nice stitch to master. So I'm gonna show you how it is made. So when you go to the stitch, you need to wrap the yarn around the hook one time. So even before going to the stitch, bring the yarn over the hook from back to front, so you could take the yarn to the stitch. So now I go to the stitch with the yarn on my hook and put it under the two little bars here. So when I am through the stitch, I will wrap the yarn around. So I put the yarn on my hook and pull it through the stitch. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. To finish the stitch, I will be wrapping the yarn over the hook twice more. So first I will do the first pull through with yarn over the hook and pull it through the 2 loops I have on my hook, but still I will have 2 left. So that's why it's needed that I put the yarn over the hook one more time and finish the stitch with the second pull through. So there you go, this is 1 double crochet stitch. So let's make it once more. I will be putting the yarn over the hook back to front and go to the stitch under the 2 bars. And when I'm in the stitch, I will wrap the yarn around the hook, pulling it through the stitch. Now, so I will still need to make 2 pull throughs with the stitch to end it. So I will put the yarn over the hook once more, and with both the pull throughs I will cross it through 2 of the loops. So yarn over the hook and will pull through 2 loops, but still having 2 loops on the hook. I need to finish it with the last pull through and also through 2 of these loops. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful and good luck with your crochet project. See you in the next video.